Most traders try to predict the market. Smart systems read the market's direction first. Flash loan leverage trading is a process that allows capital to move faster, smarter, and more efficiently, without locking up large funds. Instead of using fixed capital, the strategy temporarily borrows liquidity, deploys it instantly, and repays it in the same blockchain transaction. If anything fails, the transaction is canceled automatically. No debt, no leftovers. The decision to trade is not emotional. It is driven by a crypto market index, a real-time measure of overall market strength or weakness. When the index turns bullish, the system positions for upside. When it turns bearish, the system protects capital and positions for downside. Flash loans allow the strategy to scale exposure without holding excess capital, while yield-style leveraged positions convert market movement into opportunity. Every trade follows the same discipline: borrow, execute, secure, repay, reset. Positions are opened only when the market confirms direction. They are closed automatically when the market changes its mind. This is not gambling on price. This is executing structure. Flash loan leverage trading is about capital efficiency, controlled exposure, atomic execution, and market-driven timing. The goal is simple: use temporary liquidity, align with market flow, and exit clean. No long-term debt, no emotional decisions, no half-open positions. This is how modern DeFi trading is executed.